nozze amore. Ciao bella.
Encore.
Ancora, ancora. Any requests? Italians?
That
and
one's
all
my
of it.
favorite. That's amore.
Oh, that's... You know, that's amore is not Italian.
What is it?
It was wrote by Win Norton in California in 1915 and 1945.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, the guy who did it, his name was Bugsy Siegel, Jewish gangster.
When was this one built?
The Venetian was in 1999.
Oh, okay, wow. Still looks pretty good. No, I thought it was even newer than that, actually.
It was built in 3 steps. The Venetian with 3,000 suites in 1999. The Venezia with 1,000 suites in 2003. The Palazzo with another 3,000 suites in 2008. And then they haven't built nothing else, but they are doing a lot of villas. Yeah. A lot. I think now they have like 400 villas here. Well, the movie you are like a bit of this pie that's amore. When the world look like shine, like you have too much wine, that's amore. Now, lovely,
Turn it around.
sing the capello, as you play to be very, like a big dollar. That's the wedding gondola. They go back and forth.
I turned it around.
They marry as they go.
Until they get them, I'll get up.
Venezia is still the largest city in water in the world with a population of 275,000 people living there. Long time ago was the home of Leonardo da Vinci, Antonio Vivaldi, Giacomo Casanova, Antonio Cotino, Marco Polo, Christopher Columbus. Where are you from?
Louisiana.
Oh wow, very nice. At least you know how to swim.
Yes, I do. Ride on gators.
Okay, hold on.
I have motion sickness. I wouldn't do
Oh,
that
sorry.
too much.
I don't want to see what she had for breakfast.
Don't go on a cruise ship.
Well, I have extra precaution there.
Where are you guys from?
Virginia.
Virginia. Wow.
Do you want me to take y'all's picture?
Yes, sir.
Long ways or sideways?
Long way.
Look this way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Maybe one long way.
Okay. Yeah, absolutely. Get the sky. 1, 2, 3. One more. Good.
Okay, guys, let's start singing. Why not? This is a lovely romantic operatic song. It is called Rondine al Nido, which means when the little bird returns to the nest, and it goes like this. Sotto la gronda della torre antica, una rondine antica, allo scorciare del mandorlo coronata, ritorna in quell'anni, sempre alla stessa data, mondo i mari e sta barca, per torno quando fuggeva lontana, c'era il mare e non torna più, c'era il mare e non torna.
going back, I guess.
Yes, sir.
I need to get the other way, though.
Huh?
Need it.
Las Vegas is a city that was created by Mexicans in the 18th century, inaugurated in 19...
Good morning, everyone. I just want to ask you if you would please subscribe to my channel. It would sure be appreciated. And if you just help me out and subscribe to Glamping with the Moors at OL.com. Thank you.